Hi and welcome back to Becky's Bistro. Sometimes you feel like a nut, sometimes you don't. Today we're going to show you how we're going to make gluten-free Almond Joy cookies. They taste just like an Almond Joy candy bar. Stay tuned. For that, we're going to need 1 banana ripe to mash, a 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, gluten-free, a 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips, a 1/4 cup of chopped almonds, 1 whole cup of gluten-free oats, a 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and to finish it up, a 1/4 cup of unsweetened flaked coconut. We'll add a pinch of salt, and that will create our gluten-free Almond Joy cookies. All right, we're gonna get started with adding our ingredients into our bowl, and the good thing is, all you gotta do is put it all in the bowl, mix it up, and it's ready to start baking. First thing we're gonna put in is our mashed ripe banana. One cup of the gluten-free oats. A 1/4 cup of the unsweetened coconut. A 1/4 cup of the unsweetened cocoa powder. A 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk. A 1/4 cup of chopped almonds. A 1/4 cup of the mini chocolate chips. These are semi-sweet milk chocolate. You can use dark chocolate if you wish. A 1/2 teaspoon of the gluten-free vanilla extract. Remember to make sure it's gluten-free. And then a pinch of salt. And we'll stir all that together in the bowl. As you stir it all together, you're just gonna wanna make sure that it all gets well combined and becomes sticky to where it will press together, so that when we are ready to put it on the baking sheet, we can just put it in by spoonfuls and make up delicious little bits of goodness. So we'll get all this mixed in there. And you can see that it's starting to take shape nicely. It's getting stickier, and I think they're gonna form pretty good cookie discs for us. And we're gonna need to just put these on a baking tray that I will line with parchment paper. All right, so we're ready to go ahead and put these on the baking sheet. I have preheated the oven to 350 degrees. I've got a piece of parchment paper on my baking sheet. If you don't have parchment paper, not a big deal. Just lightly grease your cooking sheet. And we're gonna use a mini scoop because these are supposed to make 18 cookies. So we'll do, hopefully, 3 rows of 6. Sometimes I'm a little too generous because I love chocolate. So I have to discipline myself here and make sure they're even. So I finished the extra row. I've got the cookies kind of flattened to use the back of a little spoon to do that. They've made a little disc. I'll go ahead and throw them in the oven, the 350 degree oven. And I think I said 20 minutes, but it's really only 12 to 15 minutes. And we'll let those bake up. So the cookies are out of the oven, and it's time to taste our gluten-free Almond Joy cookie. If you like Almond Joy candy bars, this is the next best thing. The good news is it's gluten-free. And if you are on Weight Watchers, I did get this from a Weight Watchers website, so low in points. Thank you for joining us here on Becky's Bistro. We look forward to the next episode.